Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 90 OVR Real Sociedad striker, how to exchange rewards Andre Silva in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange feature, and this is the showdown player. There are two players here, Andre Silva and Hugo Duro. Let's start with the Andre Silva first. You can tap again for the details. Andre Silva with 90 OVR, he only had three traits: Power of Moment player, Roulette skill move, Push it down celebration, and also player traits. So if you need Andre Silva, you can get it by fulfill the condition. Total OVR 935. If you had this player, just quick add. It's not enough, sorry. Let's start from the 80 OVR, 87, 86. Let's start from 86. Let's see if I had enough. So it's enough, 966 OVR, and you can tap this exchange button to get this player. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.